Hello, Blue Maths Group. Okay, so Wednesday's maths. Same starter again today. We're going to carry on practicing counting in twos and tens. So really quickly today, because we're getting really good at this, let's count in tens to 100. Are you ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. How about if we count backwards? Are you ready? Starting at 100 and going down. So 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. Well done. Okay, and the last one we know is counting in twos. Are you ready? Here we go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. Well done if you did that without looking at the prompt. If you still need the prompt, here it is. Have a look. Remember, our 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 even numbers, they are great. We're skipping a number when we count in twos, aren't we? So hopefully now you don't need this grid at all and your counting in twos is coming along really well. Right, let's carry on looking at money because that's what we've been looking at this week, isn't it? So let's have a look at our money. Now on screen again is our money in order of value. Now, what was value? Do you remember what we talked about when we talked about value? What does value mean? Yes, the value is how much something is worth, isn't it? And how much we can use it for to buy something. So if we wanted to buy a chocolate bar, or we wanted to buy a packet of crisps, or we wanted to buy a book, the value is how much that is going to cost us, how much it's worth. Now, we split our money, didn't we, our coins, into bronze, silver and gold. Which one are worth the most? Is it the bronze, the silver, or the silver and gold? Yes, it's the silver and gold, isn't it? They're our first place in a race. Remember, the coins are a little bit thicker, and these are worth pounds rather than pence. And pounds is more. There's more in a pound than there is in any of our pennies. So these are worth the most. Which coin is worth the least? Yes, we're going to our bronze, and our 1p is worth the least, isn't it? I don't think there's much you could buy for 1p. If you took 1p to a shop and you said, hello, what can I buy for 1p? Don't think there'd be much you could buy. When I was a little girl, I could go to a shop and I could buy some sweets for 1p, but that was quite a long time ago. So I don't think you could do that today. Okay, so remember, we have a 1p and a 2p. They're our bronze coins. Then we have a 5 and a 10p that are our curved silver coins. Then our verticed silver coins are worth more. They're 20p and 50p. And then once we've done all our penny coins, we get our big silver and gold, which are worth £1 and £2. Hopefully by now you're recognising those coins and knowing the order, their value, much quicker than you were at the beginning of the week. Right, so today we're going to focus on our 2p coin. So here's our 2p. He has his number written there. That's our 2p coin. And we're going to think about putting coins together, putting 2p coins together to find out how much they're worth today. Okay, so we're going to be counting in twos. But before we count in twos, we're going to have a look at this 2p coin and we're going to say, okay, what is 2p worth? Now, I'm going to show you what 2p is worth. 2p is worth 2 1p coins. Because if we think about it and we were to write a number sentence, we'd write 1 pence add 1 pence equals, well, 1 add 1 equals 2 pence, doesn't it? So a 2p coin is actually worth 2 of our 1p coins. So that 2p coin is the same value as 2 1p coins. Does that make sense? Hopefully it does to you. So I'd have to have 2 1p coins to have the same value as my one bigger 2p coin. Right, let's have a look at our 2p's then. So, on screen, I've got some 2p's. What's the value? How many 2p coins are there and how much is that worth? Have a think. Come back to me when you think you know. So were you counting in twos? Hopefully you were. Let's have a go. So we have got 5 2p coins here. So we have to go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So if we have 5 2p coins, they are worth 10p. Remember, I've got to write the p because it's money. So 10p. So if I've got all 5 of those coins, they are worth 10p. They are worth the same as, are you ready? This coin here, because this coin here is 10p, isn't it? So if I have 5 2p coins, they're worth the same as 1 10p coin. Okay? Right, so let's have a look and see what we're doing today. We are going to be putting some coins in a jar. So, how many coins are in this jar? How much is that worth? So what value is in the jar? Now remember, we've only got 2p coins today, so everything is counting in twos. So how much money is in the jar? We've got 4 coins. What value is in the jar? Count it up for me and come back to me when you're ready. Okay, so should we do it together? 2, 4, 6, 8. So there is 8p in the jar. Now, there isn't such a thing as an 8p, so I can't show you a coin that's the equivalent of it, because 8p, we don't have a coin that's called 8p, do we? We only have 1, 2, 5, 10, 20, 50. So I can't show you the coin, but when we put 4 2p's together, it makes 8p. If you needed to buy something and it cost 8p, you could use 4 2p coins to buy it. Right, let's try another one. So how many this time? Pause me, have a count. How much money is in the jar? Right, so let's have a look. There are 6 coins in this. There are 6 2p coins. So again, we need to count in twos, don't we? Are you ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So there are 12p. There's 12p in the jar. Again, there isn't a 12p coin, so I can't show you what that would look like as one coin because I can't. That doesn't exist. But if you have 6 2p coins, that makes 12p. So you could buy something that was worth 12p. Right, let's have a look at the next one. Oh, now this one's a bit different. Can you put the correct amount in the jar? So that's what we're looking for. How many 2p coins do we need to put in the jar to make that value? Have a go. Come back to me when you're ready. Okay, how many coins did you put in the jar? Let's have a look. 2, 4. Just 2 coins because 2 and another 2 is 4. 2, 4 when we're counting in twos, isn't it? So 4p is just 2 coins in the jar. 2 2p coins in the jar make 4p. And again, there isn't a 4p coin, so we have to do it by using different coins, don't we? Right, let's have a look at the next one. Oh, okay, so slightly more this time. How many coins are you going to put in this time to get this value in the jar? Pause me, have a go, come back to me when you're ready. Right, should we do it together? How did you do? Ready, let's count. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Remember to stop when you get to the right number. 16. So, how many have I got in there? I've got 8 coins, and 8 of my 2p coins gives me 16p. And again, there's no 16p coin, so I have to make 16p by using lots of other coins. So 8 2p coins makes 16p in my jar. How did you do with that? Hopefully you did really well. Okay, so let's have a look at today's task. I'm going to vanish off screen so you can see it properly. There we go. So just like yesterday, we have 2 tasks. The first one is to find out how much money is in the jar. So what's the value of the coins in the jar? And all our coins are 2p's. So what's the value of each of the jars? How much money is inside them? When you've done that one, you have another sheet and it's asking you to put the correct number of coins in the jar. Now today's sheet has got lots of coins around the outside, so you can actually cut and stick them if you want to, or you can draw them if you prefer. But you can, if you want to have some fun with some glue, then you can cut and stick. That's always fun to do, isn't it? So find the value of the coins in these jars and then put the right value of coins in these jars. Have a lovely day. I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.